Let's take a look at quality and employee involvement. The field of OD evolved as organizations began to increasingly adopt new management styles. This development appeared to be more strongly embraced in the late 1970s and 1980s when industry firms realized a growing competitive threat to U.S. manufacturing industry as a result of developments in Japan. As firms realized that the quality of the product strongly impacted productivity, profitability, and competitiveness of the organization, they began to pay attention to management styles that would increase workers' ability and motivation to improve quality. As a result, they began to involve employees in noticing defects and taking action to prevent them or to correct them. Japanese manufacturing firms created the quality circle in the 1950s and 1960s as a method to involve employees in improving quality in their organizations. The assumption is that typically employees understand the work of their immediate area best and can make suggestions to upper management for areas of improvement. Quality circles are part of a family of approaches known as employee involvement practices. Employee involvement generally describes any attempt to include workers in order to develop greater commitment, productivity, and quality by granting them decision-making authority and providing incentives. Quality programs such as these, while not always characterized as OD programs, are important to the OD practitioner as they almost always involve some degree of personal and organization cultural change. Today, we see evidence of this trend in OD through the pervasive use of self-managed work teams that are given control and ownership of their work as well as how the team functions and is managed. OD focused on solving internal problems in the organization, centered on change first and foremost at the individual level.